Hey Alex, this is Cisco from Amplified. We spoke earlier this morning, and as promised, here's your video doing a website audit and just letting you know how your current SEO company is doing for you. I think it's super important for you to check this out and give you some ideas as far as what you can do differently and what your company is currently doing for you. So I'm going to jump right in. So Alex, looking at your website, what I look for right away is I look for content. Does your homepage or just pages in general, do they have 1,500 to 2,000 words of content? And I'm also looking for keywords. That's super important. And basically a keyword is anything someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And you want to place those keywords within your content. Okay, so right away, these are all the areas that you service. But I also look, let's see. So this is the name of your company. Okay. So, for example, the keywords that I'm looking for is, for example, sewer repair in Seattle. The reason why is because you service sewer repair. So that's super important because then you're basically telling Google exactly what you want to be found for. And when it comes to content, are these photos here? These photos, are they optimized? Are they optimized with keywords? Do they have meta tags and meta descriptions? That makes a huge difference. So that way you can help Google find you and be able to rank for you and help put you in the front of the people that you're wanting to target. Second thing, let's go over to this tab real quick. So some of the things that I look for on here, this is a tool called Ahrefs, and this tool helps you understand how well your website is performing on Google. So I'm going to jump right in. So this score here is a 27. This is a strength or your authority score. Currently you're at 27, and this is your trust flow. And Google utilizes to prioritize which websites they're going to rank higher than others. Now, this is a good score. 13 is okay. You really want to have them very close to each other, at least above 30, because that's considered like a golden ratio. The golden ratio is really when you have like a 30, 31, 32 on both ends. That really helps. These guys here, these are your backlinks. And you currently have 759 backlinks with 72 referring domains. Now, a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another via clickable or hyperlink text. So these links act like an endorsement for your website. And it helps build trust with Google, and they're going to vouch for you. Once again, this score would go higher. Now, not all backlinks, though, are created equal. You see how these scores? They vary from website to website. Now, it's worth noting that you want to get relevant backlinks within your industry. Because if you were to get, for example, a backlink from a pizzeria, it could hinder your scores, and these could go down, which is probably why your score is 27 here and then 13 there. We would have to dive in deeper on these backlinks. The last thing I want to go over is the organic keywords. So this is where you're currently being ranked for. And what I look for is buyer intent keywords. The reason why is because you're most likely to get clients that are looking for your service. For example, let's go with Sewer Repair Seattle. Okay, so the reason why I'm picking this one is because when I or any company or anybody residential wants Sewer Repair Seattle, that's what they're going to type in on Google. And these are people that are looking for services right away. Look at the volume. 300 people. What this means is 300 people each month are searching for this keyword. And currently right now your position is 29. You were at 27, but it looks like you dropped. So let's take this same keyword and let's see how your competition's doing. So this is one of your competitors, Brewers Sewer Repair. And once again, I look at all of their content. They service Seattle. Do they have keywords? Right, the trusted sewer specialist. Okay, this is one keyword, but I'm looking for sewer repair. That's a keyword, right? So those are some of the things that I look for, but specifically sewer repair Seattle. So now, let's look at how well they're ranking for. Okay, so this is brewersewer.com. If you look at here, Sewer Repair Seattle, the same one that you were ranking for, the volume is 300, but look at their position. They're number 5. So they're on the first page of Google. So let's jump over to Google. If we were to take the same sewer repair keyword and then put it on Google, let's see what happens. So this section here, these are Google ads or Google guarantee. Folks are paying to be on the first section of Google. This is another section for Google ads, sponsored. When you see that, it's Google ads. And this is my favorite. This is the Google My Business page, or GMB. The reason why it's my favorite, because 30 to 40% of calls come from the GMB section. And that's money, right? One of the ways to increase that, your GMB page, is 1, reviews, responding to reviews? Are your photos optimized? Are you updating with optimized content? So those are the 3 things that you should be looking for and doing. And then once again, we have this is the organic listings. And look, you see where he's at? He's actually number 3 now. So 1, 2, and 3. So Brewers Sewer is number 3. Anyhow, hopefully all this information is of value to you, Alex. Looking forward to hearing from you and just hearing your thoughts. Please email me back. I know you're in contract with your current SEO company, but this is something that, if you're truly interested in doing more and getting more clients, just let me know and we can talk further. Anyway, thanks a lot, Alex. Talk to you soon.